Welcome back, everyone. Well, we're just in the middle of setting the combine up for wheat. And what you got to do is adjust these bolts here so the front of your grate comes up so you're within like 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch on the front of the concave. So when the grain comes through, it'll hit this rotor, which is right in here, which are bars that go around. And it'll hit your concave. And also from the cab up here, well, let me see if I can, up here, this part of the concave up top here, I can adjust that from inside the cab, which they have it, most people say they have it so it's just barely ticking or touching. But anyway, that's what we're just in the middle of doing, is setting it, and it's sometimes you overset it, it'll take a lot of horsepower to run it. But I got a question on how our accelerator rollers are looking. On one of the videos, somebody questioned it, but I was just going to take a shot at them. But yeah, they look good here. There's still good ends on them. Hey Zach, turn the rotor a little bit so you can turn these rollers. Oh, a little more. Oh, a little more. Good. But anyway, if you look, you can see there's still good edges on them. Been in here about 3 years. So 3 seasons that we ran, and there's very little wear on them. So anyway, we'll keep informed as we go. Welcome back. It's August 11th. First day or so. Try to work the bugs out of it. Been a 12.7, 12 moisture. So, yeah, we're looking pretty good on the moisture side. Just trying to get everything to run in. First day or so. Alright, I'll keep you informed as we go. Like I said, it's August 11th. Welcome back. It's August 19th, and we're starting to roll again. It's been humid, muggy, smoke from Canada coming down. So it's been tough sledding to try to get going here. But we got going, and let's kind of see how this goes today. There we go. Looks like I got demoted from the combine to the grain cart. So I'm not sure if that's a promotion or demotion. But we're on the roll. Our other R72 is down the variable speed for the feeder house. That clutch up front went out. Actual nut come loose, and it wobbled out the shaft, and also wobbled out the clutch itself. So them parts are getting overnighted out from Butler. So guess what that's going to be? That'll be some coin coming. But I guess you got to put the money up there to keep things rolling, to keep ahead of the game. A little information. Well, another trip to the elevator. Crop is running fairly well, and look around, there ain't many trucks here. Price is down pretty good. I suppose people are trying to hold back as much as they can. But Anyway, let me give you a shot of the elevator. And look up front, there's a red light. As soon as they're done probing me here, they'll give me a green light. See if I can get the probe arm. Yeah, right there. They're probing me now. Oh, there went the probe. So I should be getting a green light shortly. Oh, there she is. All right, onto the scale, see what we got. Okay. Keep in touch. Well, welcome back. What we're working on is the R72. There's a variable speed clutch up here. Well, we have it apart. I haven't been recording all this. But we took this apart and put a new belt on. And what happened is the clutch was wore out, and it would wobble on the shaft. So this whole belt would just chatter. I guess this is the old belt we took off. Had a couple pieces missing out of it, but it was chattering due to the tube and the clutch on here that was wore out. And we had to rebuild the shaft because the shaft is spinning inside the bearing. So anyway, I guess originally what happened, I think the nut that was on here came loose. When that came loose, that's when it started causing all the wear. But let's go take a look at the parts on the clutch. Let's go in here and take a look. This is the tube. You can see right here how this is all wore out in the splines. And here's the new one. So that part's wore. And the other part is this, what they call a shiv here, which is wore also from wobbling out. And that's what we're taking apart right there, is unpacking the shiv. So we'll just, if it helps anybody, we'll, as we put it together, we'll record more for people. Well, today's August 20th, about 8 o'clock at night, and we're finally going again here. There's been a lot of gremlins going on. It's one of those deals. But anyway, we got the, see if I can shoot you at them. Got the R72 variable speed for the feeder house working. We run it in the locked position all the time anyway. We don't speed or slow it up. That's mostly, I believe, for corn or, whoops, I'm kind of getting you all over here. For corn or them kind of crops. So we got it in the locked, which is the full speed position, I believe. So, well, no, I guess it's not the full speed. I guess it's on the slower end of it, because if you did, you'd overspeed your header, I was told. So, oh boy, got ourselves some dust here. So anyway, like I said, August 20th, things are rolling finally. The yields, I'll give you a shot at them. It's kind of what we're seeing, which is pretty good. Got to be happy with that. But, whoops, got you the windshield wiper. But, okay, we'll just keep going here and see if we can keep these machines running once. I guess they're not John Deere, so I guess they break down. John Deere's never break down. I had to take a shot at the John Deere guys. Oops, dang windshield wipers in the way again. All right, keep in touch.